Hi, my name is Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. Today I'm going to take you through setting up your daily log or daily entry in your bullet journal. So there's a number of different ways of doing it, and how you set it up is going to determine how many pages you need for your bullet journal. But essentially I'm going to skip to the first month of January. So after my month at a glance, I then have my daily entry. I've set up my January to have 3 days a week per page. Okay, so that means, on the first Monday of the month, this is where I'm going to be writing all in the tasks and events and things that come up on that day. I've carried that through the length of my journal, which if you have a question about how many pages should you have, there is a video that will specifically tell you that depending on how many daily entries you put per page, that's how many pages you need in your book. For example, a different one would look like this, that I only have 2 days per page. So it's taking up a little bit more space, but that's because my journal is a little bit smaller, so I want more space to write. I've also got one that is even smaller than that, where I've entered in 5 days per page. So again, this is for very short, easy notes, maybe events, but again, you can set it up very differently. So you can have any number of days per page, and that's all going to determine how many pages you have in your journal. Now, at the end of this is where you're going to write kind of the things that you have coming up, or the things that have passed, or maybe you want to track things on certain days. There's a whole bunch of different ways to create spreads for your journal. This is a sample of a daily log that's been filled in a little bit. So again, very minimalist, very just kind of to the point, but you can have a bunch of trackers and a bunch of different systems depending on how much time and energy you want to put into your bullet journal.